ExxonMobil lead $13.7 million investment in on-demand car care startup Yoshi. 2 million of gamers the world over. Yoshi is an anthropomorphic dinosaur that serves as Mario and Luigi's friendly sidekick. But to car owners in a handful of U.S. cities, the famous name is taking on a completely different meaning. Founded in 2016, Palo Alto-based startup Yoshi is an on-demand car maintenance platform that arranges to deliver gas to your automobile, as well as other related tasks such as carrying out oil changes, cleaning, and more, all while the car is parked just where you left it. Drivers can order the service directly from the Android or iOS mobile app. This does, of course, come at a cost. Fuel delivery varies by region, but it should cost around $7, plus the price of the gas, while drivers can elect to pay a $20 monthly membership which includes free weekly deliveries. Elsewhere, a basic wash can cost around $45, with a full detail clean setting you back $175, though prices may be higher in areas such as San Francisco. Above, Yoshi for now. Yoshi operates across Silicon Valley, San Francisco, Nashville, Austin, Atlanta, Los Angeles, and Chicago. But the company has announced a fresh $13.7 million in funding via Series A round led by General Motors Ventures and ExxonMobil, with contributions from Y Combinator, the Durant Company, Arab Angel, among others. And with this fresh cash injection, Yoshi said that it plans to expand to a further 25 metropolitan areas this year. We believe Yoshi has a big opportunity to be part of the transformation underway in the automotive industry relating to how vehicles get fueled and serviced, which can more than double a vehicle's cost over its lifetime, said Yoshi CEO Nick Alexander. We could not have a better syndicate of investors supporting us, including the leading U.S. automaker and oil and gas company. Yoshi is one of a number of similar startups operating in the on-demand car maintenance realm. Back in August, California-based Booster raised $20 million, taking its total funding to $33 million, for a refuel and basic car care service, while earlier this week London-based Zebra Fuel announced a $2.5 million funding round. Other players include Gas Ninjas, Filled, and Fuel Me. GM itself has made a number of automotive acquisitions and investments in recent times, boosting its self-driving car credentials with the acquisitions of Cruise Automation and Strobe, while plowing cash into initiatives such as MCity, a 32-acre mock city for testing connected and self-driving cars. GM's investment-specific arm, General Motors Ventures, has been fairly quiet recently, though it did join BMW and Toyota in investing in Silicon Valley startup Nauto last summer. So why is GM now looking to invest in Yoshi? Well, it has big plans to integrate the technology into the very fabric of the vehicles. Thus far, Yoshi has required drivers to beckon fuel through a mobile app, but moving forward you may be able to do so through the car itself. Investing in Yoshi's fuel delivery service allows us to pilot an innovative, premium experience for our customers, while integrating with the latest connected vehicle technology already on board Chevrolet, Buick, GMC and Cadillac vehicles, noted GM CTO John Locknor. It's not entirely what form this new service will take, but it's safe to assume that if you're running low on fuel, your car will be able to arrange for the delivery of petrol or diesel all by itself. In the future, when you buy a new car, you'll be buying a self-fueling, self-servicing car, added Alexander. Yoshi's service will come built right in. ExxonMobil, for its part, hasn't made many venture investments in startups, but the fact that an energy giant is partnering with an automotive firm of GM's stature to invest in Yoshi points to the world's growing push toward the on-demand realm. Why waste time traveling somewhere to pay for a service, when you can pay someone to come to you? The on-demand economy is changing nearly every aspect of our everyday lives, including consumer expectations about the way fuels and lubricants are purchased, delivered, and used, said Adam Werner, Fuels and Lubricants Innovation Manager at ExxonMobil. We believe the simplicity and convenience of this direct-to-vehicle care service will attract new customers to Exxon and Mobil branded products.